Thanks very much for staying with us. A breaking update coming across as Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be visiting the state of Punjab on the 5th of January. Now, what is being said that the Prime Minister will be laying the foundation stone of PGI Satellite Centre in Firozpur. Thereafter, it will also be his first visit to the state before it goes to polls next year itself. Now, this is also coming at a time when there has been a 6-member panel that has been formed to finalize the seat-sharing pact between the BJP and Captain Amrinder Singh Punjab, Lok Congress and former Akali Dal leader Sukhdev Singh Dhindsa's front for the upcoming Punjab polls. And the Prime Minister will be visiting the state of Punjab, where elections are due in 2022, and also will be laying the foundation stone of a PGI satellite centre in Firozpur. This will be his first visit to the state ahead of Punjab elections. We are breaking up these breaking updates as the Prime Minister has been visiting the poll-bound states, and he will today be in UP once again. But next year, in the first week itself, it is being said that the Prime Minister will be in the poll-bound state of Punjab, where he will be laying the foundation stone of a PGI satellite centre in Firozpur, and this would be his first visit to the state before the elections are to take place. Now, this is an alliance also that the BJP has formed, where the seat sharing will be divided between the political parties there. Let me go across to Amandeep now. Amandeep, lots been happening there in the state of Punjab, and especially when the Prime Minister is due to visit the state the first time next year itself in the first week of January.
Well, Amita, absolutely. It is the first visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi ahead of Punjab polls 2022. And in fact, this is scheduled on 5th of January in Firozpur to lay the foundation stone of PGI Satellite Centre. And in fact, this will also check the response to the BJP after repealing the laws, after getting alliance with Captain Amrinder Singh and breakaway Akali Sukhdev Singh Dhindsa. And now this visit is actually very crucial. And in fact, on the ground, the BJP is getting full support and try to gather maximum people at that inauguration center so that PM will address the people, PM will show the concern to the Punjab, just because this is a very important visit. After Uttar Pradesh, and now the focus is entirely on Punjab, and BJP is getting active and also announcing the development projects from the union government as well. And even the Captain Amrinder Singh as well as Sukhdev Singh Dhindsa, they are also preparing their panel to finalize the seats also, just because BJP would be the largest party in this entire alliance, and that is the reason the first visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled on 5th of January at Firozpur to lay down the foundation stone of PGI Satellite Centre. And even the speech regarding the Punjab will also be delivered by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to address the people of Punjab regarding the polls as well. After reappealing of 3 farm laws, after winding up that entire agitation, after getting into the alliance with BJP and Punjab Lok Congress and breakaway Akalis, this is the first visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and this will give the response to the Punjab ahead of 2022 polls, and even a great push to the BJP party as well to kickstart their campaign.
At the political twists and turns that have been taking place in the state of Punjab, and of course the new alliance that has now taken shape for the BJP in the upcoming elections, their Prime Minister expected to visit the state next year, first week of January itself. Amandeep, thank you very much.